Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to synchronize Bluevine with Freshbooks. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time. Just going to show you guys how to link your Bluevine account with Freshbooks for smoother invoicing and bookkeeping. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine account on the website. And once you're signed in using your credentials, go to Settings or Integrations. There, select Freshbook from the available integration options, and then click Connect and sign into your Freshbook account when prompted. Authorize Bluevine to securely share transactions data with Freshbooks, and then choose the Bluevine account that you want to sync. If you have if you manage multiple accounts, you can link them individually. Log into your Freshbooks and navigate to Bank Connections and confirm that your Bluevine account is listed and that transactions are important. Categorize and reconcile incoming Bluevine transactions in Freshbooks to keep your books clean. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.